Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English The Topper's Choice. In today's video, we are going to discuss multiple choice questions of class 10th, second lesson, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom, from the textbook First Flight. Here we go. First question, when was the inauguration day? And the options are 10th May, 10th March, 20th May or 20th March. And the correct answer is 10th May. Question number 2. It was a celebration of South Africa's first dash government. And the options are A. Autocratic racial, B. Democratic non-racial, C. Democratic racial or monarch non-racial. And the correct answer is democratic non-racial. Question number 3. How many deputy presidents were elected? Options are 2, 3, 1 or none. And the correct answer is 2. Next, question number 4. Why did other countries broke off diplomatic relations with South Africa? Options are white rulers, other countries are racial, it is a poor country, or apartheid policy. And the correct answer is due to apartheid policy. Question number 5. What change brought international leaders to South Africa? And the options are end of apartheid, humanity, peace or trade negotiations. And the correct answer is end of apartheid. Question number 6. We thank all of our distinguished international guests for having come to take possession with the people of our country of what is, after all, a common victory for dash dash. And the options are justice, peace, human dignity or all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. Next, question number 7. What was it that the nation needed to be liberated from? Options are poverty, gender discrimination, deprivation or all of the above. And the right answer is all of the above. Question number 8. We have achieved our political emancipation. What is the meaning of emancipation? And options are freedom from restriction, enslavement, slavery or both 2 and 3. And the correct answer is freedom from restriction. Question number 9. The spectacular array of South African jets was a display of, options are military's precision, military's loyalty to democracy, both 1 and 2 or none of the above. And the correct answer is both 1 and 2. Question number 10. What colors does the new South African flag possess? Option A, black, red, green, blue and gold. Option B, black, red, yellow, blue and gold. Option C, orange, black, yellow, blue and silver. And option D, black, blue, violet, saffron and green. And the correct answer is black, red, green, blue and gold. Question number 11. The structure they created formed the basics of one of the harshest, most inhuman societies the world has ever known. What structure is Mandela talking about? Option A, Racial domination against the black-skinned. B. Poverty and suffering. C. Discrimination against the poor. Or D. Oppression of women. And the correct answer is racial domination against the black-skinned. Question number 12. Whom did Mandela wanted to thank but could not? Options are his family, white rulers, African patriots who no longer existed, or military. And the correct answer is African patriots who no longer existed. Question number 13. What unintended effect did the decades of oppression and brutality had? Option A. Created men of extraordinary courage, wisdom and generosity. Option B. Poverty and suffering. Option C. Boycott from foreign nations. And option D. Both 2 and 3. And the correct answer is created men of extraordinary courage, wisdom and generosity. Question number 14. According to Mandela, what is the greatest wealth of a nation? Options are minerals, gems, diamonds or people. And the correct answer is people. Question number 15. What did Mandela learn about courage? Option A. It is absence of fear. B. It is the triumph over fear. C. Both 1 and 2. Or D. None of the above. And the correct answer is it is the triumph over fear. Question number 16. What are a man's obligations in life? Options are obligation to people, obligation to family, obligation to God, or both 1 and 2. And the correct answer is both 1 and 2. That is obligation to people and obligation to family. Next, question number 17. Why were 2 national anthems sung? Options are to imply unity. Option B. To mark the end of racial discrimination. Option C. To mark the end of gender discrimination. And option D. Both 1 and 2. And the correct answer is both 1 and 2. That is to imply unity and to mark the end of racial discrimination. Question number 18. What comes more naturally to heart according to Mandela? Options are hatred, unity, love or racial discrimination. And the right answer is love. Question number 19. What realizations did Mandela have of his boyhood freedom? Options are it is just an illusion. B. He was born free. C. Freedom was meant for kids. And D. He had no realizations. And the correct answer is it is just an illusion. Question number 20. What began Mandela's hunger for freedom? Option A. The fact that it had already been taken away from him. Option B. His obligation towards people. Option C. His obligation towards family. And option D. He was born to fight. And the correct answer is the fact that it had already been taken away from him. Next, question number 21. Which party did Mandela join? A. Indian National Congress. B. African National Congress. C. National African Party. Or D. He did not join any party. And the correct answer is African National Congress. Question number 22. A man who takes away another man's freedom is dash dash. And the options are white, a prisoner of hatred, criminal, or rude. And the correct answer is a prisoner of hatred. Question number 23. Who, according to Mandela, is not free? Options are A. Oppressor, B. Oppressed, C. Both 1 and 2, or D. None of the above. And the correct answer is both 1 and 2, that is oppressor and oppressed. Question number 24. How did Mandela's hunger for freedom change his life? Options are A. Turned from frightened to bold, B. Turned from law-abiding attorney to a criminal, C. Turned a life-loving man to live like a monk, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 25. What does depths of oppression create? A. Oppressed, B. Heights of character, C. Poverty, and D. Lack of freedom. And the correct answer is heights of character. So dear friends, these are the multiple choice questions of the lesson Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. If you have liked this video, please click on like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.